Hey everyone, welcome back to After Home Automation. Today we're diving into a brand new eWeLink app update, version 5.20. This release is all about making your smart home experience smoother, smarter, and more connected. Let's see what's new. First up, Home Ambience now includes the NSPanel Temperature Readings. The NSPanel isn't just a stylish smart switch, it's also a built-in temperature sensor. With the new version, you can now track temperature directly inside the app. No more guessing if your room is cozy. It's right there in real time. Okay, let's quickly set the ambient temperature to the NSPanel. Click on Insight, then click on Home Ambience. In here, we can select the device, and as you can see, the NSPanel is now available. So now let's set the temperature and humidity for the NSPanel. The NSPanel doesn't have humidity. Maybe they're planning on having a later version that includes humidity. So what has changed in 5.20? eWeLink can now leverage the Google API to sync devices that are already onboarded into Google Home Matter Fabric. That means if you set up Matter devices in Google Home, you don't need to pair it again in eWeLink. It'll show up automatically inside the app, at least for certain categories of devices. On-off switches, dimmable lights, extended color lights. Here's how it works in practice. You add your Matter certified light into Google Home. Google puts that device into Matter Fabric. Basically, the secure network where Matter devices talk. eWeLink taps into this Google API, sees the device, and imports it. That light is now available in your Google Home and eWeLink. No extra pairing steps. But let's clear up some limitations. Only Android for now. This feature is listed as Android only in the release notes. Only 3 categories: on, off, dimmable, and extra color lights. No plugs, switches, or sensors yet. Matter only. If a device isn't Matter, or if it's connected through the cloud integration like Toya or Philips Hue, it won't sync this way. Here's the big question. Is it just for Sonoff and eWeLink devices? The answer is no. In principle, this works for any Matter device in those categories. So if you've got a nanoleaf bulb or TP-Link Matter light already in Google Home, eWeLink should be able to sync it too. I haven't tested this, but in principle, it should work. That said, the best reliability will be Sonoff eWeLink Matter devices, because that's what they tested internally. With other brands, your mileage may vary. This is a big step forward for smart home convenience. Instead of juggling multiple pairings and wondering if devices will sync correctly, you can now bring in your existing Google Home Matter devices straight into eWeLink. It's faster, cleaner, and sets the stage for more categories being supported in the future. So what do you think? Will you be trying out the new Google Home Matter Sync? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next deep dive into home automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.